Hi! Are you still in the middle of writing your final project and trying to find some references for your final project? We have abundance of journal articles in our journal.unes.ac.id, but I know that it might be kind of difficult for you to access that website because you are not around the campus. So here I have some other website URL that you can access so you can find some references and you can use it as the references of your final project.
So what we can do? You are all students of Universitas Negeri Semarang, and actually Universitas Negeri Semarang has already had this link for all its members and also academicians to find some journals articles at journal.unes.ac.id. This is very complete, and these are all very outstanding journals from Sage, from Oxford, Emerald, Cambridge, and it's all actually accessible. This is Oxford. You can just type the journal that you want here. The point is, this is very accessible, this is very complete, everything is here. You can find everything from this journal.unes.ac.id. But what makes it difficult is that right now we are in the situations where we are not allowed to be around campus, and these sites can only be accessed from UNES land or from UNES network. If you are at your home trying to finish your final project in this pandemic era, this cannot be accessed. So what you can do is try to find this kind of references from any other sources, but not from not the one that is requiring an UNES network. So I have these several possibilities for you. The first one is the classical one. It is very easy, but sometimes students just forget, which is the Google Scholar. In the Google Scholar here, you can find some journals that you want. Let's say, for example, you are going to write down about writing skills. You just write down the writing skills here. Well, and you can find sources. Let's say, for example, here is training writing skills from Ronald T. Kellogg. Complete. We also the references, the citations, so you will not accuse as the one who is actually trying to steal someone's copyright here. And what makes it also very easy for you is that when you are trying to write down the references, you can just open Google Scholar and then you copy the title here, the title of the paper in the Google Scholar site, and then it will appear. You can see here that it has been cited by 815 people. So you can see this sign of quotation mark. You can just click that and you can just choose what type of references or citations that you're going to use. Let's say you're going to cite using APA format, so you copy this format, you copy and then you paste that in any of your documents. You can just paste it in the Microsoft Word, you can just paste it in your notes and everywhere. It is very easy. So if you see here, it has been very complete. Names, year, the title, it has been suitable with the APA format. Okay, so here is the Word, Microsoft Word document, and you can just paste it here. We can only need one, the APA style. Here is the APA style. So this is very easy for you. And then the next, after Google Scholar, we also have another sources from DOAJ. This one is an open access journal, the doaj.org. here. Okay, we will type here, let's say for example you try to find something about cultural understanding. Okay, this is about medicine now. Let's say for example this. Here there is an options of full text. You can just click here. Okay, we'll wait until it is open. This is a Journal of International Students. Okay, this is about cultural identifications. This is an abstract. This is an options of PDF here. You can just click the PDF format. This is very easy. Okay. We will wait. Okay, so this is the journal article. This is from the Journal of International Students. This is the title. The writer completed with all the metadata of the journal, the data that you need to make the citations here. So this is very complete. It's very easy. You can just download it and save it in your own computer. So this is very easy. Okay, the next one after the DOAG, we also have another sources like Eric. This is very famous. ERIC, eric.ed.gov. Can just click enter. You can just choose journal. So these are the search box, so we can just search. There is a tick box here, peer reviewed only or full text available. We can just take full text because we want all the documents, all the PDF that can be downloaded. You can just choose, let's say I want to find something about cross cultural understanding. Oh, I am writing about this a lot, so that's why it's up here. Well, this one, cross-cultural competence. This is available in Sukardi Weda and Haryanto in Journal of English as an International Language. Okay, let's say just click download full text. It's very complete. Okay, if you want to check whether this is actually been uploaded in journal or not, you can just try to type the title here. You copy and you try to open the Google Scholar here, and then you paste it like what we did before, and then it is available, so it is actually valid here. We choose the APA. Okay, so what makes it actually trusted is that this is from Eric. So as you know that this publisher is actually has a name already, so this is a good one. It can be used for your references. You can trust these sites because all of the paper here is actually quite a good one, so it can be trusted. Okay, so there's all the possibilities for trying to find or download some journal articles. But if you want to find some books, you can also try to visit bookfi, en.bookfi.net. This one, en.bookfi.net. This is in Russian, but it's okay because we still can use English. Where is it? We will try to re-access it. And book fee, this one. It is opening already. NP and .bookfi.net is open now. Okay, we are trying to find a book about culture or cultural understanding. Wait, okay, so these are book about culture. This is music. This is cross cultural understanding. Oh, this is interesting. And many other sources. Let's say I want to choose this. I can just click download, and it will be appear here in your downloaded files. Here, digital cultures, understanding new media, from chapter 1 to chapter 10.
Okay, so that was all that I can share to you right now. Later on we will make new videos if we have new sources, so you can keep working and learning. So don't forget, graduate soon.